Nokia PureBook X14 laptop with Intel Core i5 processor teased on Flipkart. Specifications. Nokia PureBook X14 will soon launch as the first Nokia laptop in the PureBook series in India, an updated microsite on Flipkart suggests. The online marketplace has teased the new Nokia laptop with an image and some specifications. The microsite has appeared after Flipkart last week suggested that Nokia PureBook series will be launching in India. A listing on the Bureau of Indian Standards (BIS) website had also indicated the launch of multiple Nokia laptops in the country. The updated microsite on Flipkart features the image of the Nokia PureBook X14 that appears to come in a black color option. The image also shows that the notebook features a full-size, chiclet-style keyboard and a large touchpad with multi-touch. Nokia PureBook X14 specifications. The microsite shows that at least one variant of the Nokia PureBook X14 will be powered by an Intel Core i5 processor, and include Dolby Atmos as well as Dolby Vision technologies. The laptop is also touted to offer an ultralight build that weighs 1.1 kilograms. USB 3.0 and HDMI ports are also clearly visible in the image of the Nokia laptop. Flipkart has not yet provided any details on the availability of the Nokia PureBook X14. However, the microsite is carry a coming soon tag to reiterate the imminent launch of the laptop as also suggested earlier this week. Full details about the Nokia PureBook X14 launch and its price in India are yet to be revealed. Nevertheless, as many as 9 laptop models carrying the Nokia branding surfaced on the BIS site recently. 5 of these models are speculated to have Intel Core i5 processors, while 4 of them could include Intel Core i3 chips. These are likely to be Intel 10th generation processors. While the new laptops will carry the Nokia branding, they are likely to be manufactured by a third party and will be exclusive to Flipkart. The online marketplace already sells Nokia branded smart TVs in the country. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.